Hey everybody, it's me, Pam, Dragon Moon Creations. Welcome back to my channel. Hang on just a second here. Let me get my phone up there. Coming on here today to do an unboxing of an order that I got from Beebeecraft. It is part of their YouTube program. You can order some items for free, and then you do a video. Let's see, you do, well, it doesn't really say you have to do an unboxing, but everybody has been. I saw this over on Sugar Ray Crafts channel, and that's Chelsea, but then after I went to looking, I saw bunches more. So anyway, you just have to do a few things. You have to make videos using the products. I think I read somewhere where they, this is packaged pretty well. I think I read somewhere where on their web page that they had to do tutorials, but other people are not doing tutorials. They're just showing what they've made using the items. Now, I went to the web page and I made an account through the link that they sent to me, and I get to the end, you know, I put everything in my cart, and I get to the end and they're asking for credit card information. Well, I didn't really feel comfortable with that, and I said, why, if you're going to send it to me for free, why do you need my credit card information? Well, and I sent that back to them, and no problem. They sent me an email and said, your order's been placed and you should get it in 3 to 5 days. So I did not have to enter my credit card information. I'm assuming, of course, they would want it for future purchases, but let me get the stuff first. Boy, this is really wrapped well. Most people have given pretty good reviews. Now, let's see. I saw this particular item here on that somebody else had gotten, and I said, yeah, that's me. It's gears and keys, and I said, that's what I'm gonna move this stuff out of the way here. So, yeah. But the keys were just phenomenal, and you know me and keys. Anybody that knows me and the keys. Okay, and they're huge, and there's a bunch of them. Look at the one. And whenever I saw this, I said, I might try, my project might be something kind of steampunky, because that one has the gears on it. But there's a ton of keys here. So that's good. I got a little punch out from the die there. And this was the gears. Now, if you were going to buy this yourself, I think it was like $12 or $13 for this package. And look at all those gears. My goodness, I think I can make something with all of that. A lot of that. There's one here in particular I'm looking at. Well, two. I'm liking this one because it looks like it has a little screw in the middle of it, a little slotted screw. And I'm really liking this design here. Whoops. Like that. But there's tons of them. Look. So there's a lot in the package for you know, I think it's at $12.74. I'll never get all this. Hey, I almost got them all back in there. I'll put them in there later. Then there's these. I think they're wings. Yeah, they're wings. I think they're all the same, I think. Maybe not. They're different. They're different wings. That one's different. Looks like it's got kind of a feather thing going on, and this one's more smooth. You see the feathers on that? So there's that. Those over there. And then they give you jump rings, which these are, in my opinion, these are a little small for the size of these items. You know. But I've got brass jump rings. And there's brass chain. Which I don't know if I have any brass chain. And then they give you some lobster claw clasp All right. There's that. So I'm pleased with this assortment here. And whenever I saw people showing this particular assortment, I was impressed by the sheer amount. And I said, no, that couldn't possibly send that much. But they did. And the size of the keys was just, you know, let's see, it was just astounding to me that they would send, you know, have this big for that price. This one's a little bent, but it's metal, and I'm sure it can bend back. This one, I like that one. It's kind of light and airy and filigree. Yeah, these are real soft, but it's crafting stuff. So, then I ordered. These are the stamp dies, and I like postage stamp. And there's, oh, hey, you know what? Let me see. These were 10 listed on the website for $10.19. And there's two different kinds in here, guys. There's the square ones, which I have a set of square ones, but I thought it was just going to be these. So that's pretty good. And that's a nice size little stamp there. Stamp shaped. That one, and the smallest one is inch and an eighth. The next one up is 2 inches. The next one up is 2 7/8. The next one up is 3 7/8. And the next one up is 5 7/8. So that's a really good, this is a really good deal. For $10.19 to get both sets. I thought it was just going to be the one. Actually, I think I thought it might be this one. The largest one there is 3 7/8, and the smallest one is 3/4. So that's an excellent deal right there. And then there's this one. And again, I'm not really sure what I was expecting, but yeah, that was what it looked like on the. I've never gotten them brass. They've always been this, but the color of them is brass on the picture, because I printed out my order, and I'm pleasantly surprised. We got off to a bumpy start in the beginning about them wanting my credit card information, but they made good on their promise that my order was free. These are okay. They're all tangled up here, yeah. But they got the stitching. That's a big die. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's almost about 4 3/4. The largest one's about 4 3/4. I guess I could put this. And the smallest one, these are just stitched squares. But the fact that there's 3 different kinds of dies, and these dies that I'm going to show you. Not this. This was $10.19, but the squares, the stars, and the looks like a little Baroque die set, they were all $11.89. And that one's going to be cut out. It's going to be 1 1/8. So, and then everything in between. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dies in there. 8 squares. Yeah, I don't know how they cut, you know, but I'm really pleased with the amount that you get for the price. There's the square ones. Here's the star ones. Like I said, the squares, anything that's brass, the squares, the stars, and this one. I have one similar to this, but I don't think I have one this big. And that I had ordered from my Aunt Allie. There's the thing right there. Okay. So we've got how many of these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 again. The largest one being, again, the 4 3/4, and the smallest one being, oh no, wait a minute, is there 9 in there? I don't know. I'm just going to dump them out now. I'm curious. I count 8 or 9. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, there's 8. And the smallest one being 3/4. So that's, and like I said, they got the stitching on them. I've just never seen them this color before. Okay, let me see if I could get those picked up and put one thing right there. And then there's these. That's a pretty good deal for $11.89. You know, you order them directly from China, and you really don't know. You can try to convert inches and centimeters all day long, but right, and that one's about the same. And like the nest, and I think I do have a set of those, but I kind of wanted the squares and the stars. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those nesting, and those are stitched. Very nice. Okay, and the last thing that I got was, and I've worked with this before, I had my dragon one. I got this one because it had the sun, moon, and stars on it, and it's another wax seal. I don't know if you can see the design on that or not. Let me see. There. It's the sun. That's like a crescent moon, and there's the stars. And it's got this really cool pattern. And so I will be making some wax seals with that. I can just put glue on the back and glue to projects. But I'll show me using that one. Now, if you have to link their website in the description, and link to all of the goodies that you got from them. You can purchase 3 or 4 products at around, they said around $40. Mine came to $42.51, so you know, props to them that they went ahead and filled the order. If you would like to join the Beebeecraft YouTube program, you get free products by doing videos, which is what I'm doing, and you need to have more than 100 subscribers. A lot of us have that. And if you're interested, please click on the link below that I will list in the description box. All right. So that's not bad. That's not a bad, not bad products. It just blows me away, the amount of dies that I got for that, you know, what I would have paid. Let's see, 21, 22, 23, $25 for these 2 sets and all of these if I had purchased them. Right around $25 plus shipping, so that's a really good deal. So, okay, well, I'll do this video, and hopefully within, you know, a few days I will get a couple more videos up using the products that I have received from Beebeecraft. All right, everybody, thank you for watching. Go over, if you're interested, go over and check out their the link, and it was fairly easy to sign up. All right, thank you everybody for watching. Bye.